Hi, good afternoon guys, and welcome back to another edition of Prohire TruckTV. Today we're out and about in Manchester, Warrington to be more precise. Sun shining, so what more can you hope for in Manchester? We find ourselves today at a very interesting bodybuilder in Warrington called Bespoke Bodies, who I've known John for many years, and is one of the most intelligent engineering guys I've ever come across in many years. And he was speaking to him the other day, and he's been working together with Ford Motor Company, and today we come to look at a pre-production model for the UK market of a Ford Transit platform cab with a very interesting and very sizable body, which I think will be really well worth looking at, and also tremendously valuable for the carpets, furniture, white goods industries. So let's have a look at this together. So what's special about this particular vehicle? Well, apart from being left-hand drive, which of course the Hawkeyes will pick up fairly quickly, it's the size and weight of a vehicle of in this class. Now, if you notice when you walk around the vehicle, it is extremely big, and this particular version has got 4 meters worth of length of load space internally. Of course, this is a shorter version that can be made available, so depending on the payload that you require, this vehicle can work out to another 3 or 4 feet, which is pretty decent when you look at the size of this motor. You know, when we look at this as a concept, it's massive. This is probably one of the biggest vehicles I've seen of this type knocking it out on the roads. And of course, you know, as I say always with our videos, all vehicles that you see and we showcase are available on contract hire from Prohire. You know, 4 meters internally, a very big box, and again, for whatever you wanted to use this for, whether it be carpets or furniture or white goods, it's got everything and every box ticked. This particular vehicle's got a payload of 1100 kilos, which, you know, while is very good, it's a very big box, very big box. So it's you know, extremely pleased to be here and to be able to showcase something of this size. So again, for me, one of the great things about this is the fact that it's a platform cab, and you know, something fairly new for Ford. But the load space is immense, you know, and it's very low, step straight back into it, and you can see itself. It is a very big vehicle, and of course, you know, in today's world where home shopping is now becoming very much you know, a thing, these type of vehicles can get down country lanes, narrow streets across our cities and towns in the UK. And for me, you know, well done, super job, great job, Bespoke Bodies. Hey guys, we find ourselves at the end of another edition of Prohire TruckTV, and I really thank everyone for watching, and you know, like, subscribe and share if you can. It would be superb. Just want to thank John and his team at Bespoke Bodies for allowing us on site today to have a look at their products, and it's been really great to meet some people who really care passionately about building vehicles and trying to look at things that can make lighter and bigger for the UK roads today. You know, it's been great as always, and we look forward to catching up again soon.